punch my fist into the African sky with my heart and soul ready to sing. My heart sings of a nation built from ashes of the Fakane. My soul speaks of ambassadors of unity. I speak of keepers of peace, a symbol of solidarity. I speak of a true reflection of tolerance. We are the mountain kingdom. To the world we narrate stories of prosperity. To us the thought of peace is worth much more than the reality of war. We are sons and daughters of Moshoeshoe and grandchildren of Nkhehe Mohlomi, he who told us to choose peace over war. We are the mountain kingdom. We are friends of the world.